Dear travelers, this train will arrive shortly in Paful.
Touchdown Pafuf, Saudi Railway Station, and nakakatawa. We try to get tickets for tonight papuntang Dammam. Unfortunately, there's only one ticket available, so hindi naman pwedeng isa lang ang kunin namin for the two of us. So sabi ko, punta na muna kami ng Alcara Mountain and then we come back here, tapos check namin kung merong available tickets na probably mga nag-back out or kahit anong pakanting ticket, and kung wala, try namin mag-Uber. So, ang dami. Ayaw din nilang paiwan yung mga luggage namin kasi nga wala naman kaming nakuhang ticket. So, we'll just try to figure out later kung anong gagawin namin. Oh my god, this is just stressful pero exciting kasi nga it's all part of traveling. Grabe.
من بمك 150 كنترول إحرائي خلاص.
Ano pangalan? I don't know the name of the Nuba. Nuba is the name of the restaurant.
Anuba.
This one beef, this one. When beef, when chicken. This. Palin kefta rin ka, wadi na? Shui shui. Fi shay tahat? Palaw na fi. Fi kulo shay mo dito ba? She's madu pa siya rin?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag.
Ng cave pero ang entrance hagdan. Sabi ko papasok tayo ng cave pero ang entrance sa hagdan. Diba?
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't plead the monster. No matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never, we could never, we could never be friends. You feel a type of way, well that's fantastic. Nothing to something and now it's drastic. Don't tell your friends we're so done. It never ends. You having fun? Oh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't plead the monster. No matter what you tell yourself. tell yourself? I should have known that we can never be friends.
Ayan, we're here inside and there's so many dust coming in my eyes. Grabe. We just had our I don't know if that's a dinner or what, koshari. It's an Egyptian food. And we're here now. I'm so much full of energy. Wow. Yes. I'm walking inside, I'm walking, papasok, hindi ko alam paano English yun. I'm walking towards the cave. Yes. At first, the first door you're gonna see is like a small room with a little bit of history. And dito, yan, yun nakikita natin dyan. It's ano ba ang hirap maging travel vlogger pag hindi mo alam kung anong term nito. Basta parang ano to, may gathering ata, may birthday ata, kaya may mga ganyan-ganyan, may music, ganyan-ganyan. So it's just so amazing looking at the structures of the rock formation. See? Oh. So there's like a birthday party here. And everyone will sit down listening to, actually that's the lights. It's not the music. Yes. Hi. Oh my, this is scary. It's so, ano ba tawag dun? It's so big. Minsan hindi alam ko lang sasabihin. It's so big. This is a different dimension. Yeah, it's a multiverse. Doctor Strange is coming to town and we are going with him. I don't know where to go. Here. Kasya kaya ako dito? Kasya kaya ako dito? We will go back. Sabi ko, we will go backwards. But nabangga ako. We will go backwards. So that you can see. It's very scary. See? Huh? See? Oh, which one? Left or right? I think here. It's very dark here. Oh, it's cold. It's very cold here. Madil, show you Bella. Wow! So nagwawalis. Nagwawalis tapos pababa yung... Oh my god, see? Ito yan. Nagwawalis siya.
From where you get this one?
This one? From the Philippines.
Ah, you bought it from there.
Yeah.
Because this is for G7X is the best one.
Yeah. So, you have it also?
It's Mark II?
2. Yeah.
S3.
Wow.
So a little bit advanced.
You are more richer than me. Ano daw? Gusto lang niya i-flex yung ano niya. See? Huh? 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 Ako na talaga Mr. Congeniality. You will meet a professional photographer. Sa loob kanina, naka-ND filter kasi. So it's way better now. You can go here or here. This is shortcut. Oh. I'm tired, so I'll go here. Mga crossroads ng buhay. Long way, short way. Hindi doon tayo sa short way. Diyos ko, papagurin ko yung sarili ko. Same lang naman papupuntahan. Ayan, guys. Oh, eh? Oh, ay, kala ko wala nang daan. So, ito. Walang katapusang kuweba po ito. At kung hanap, ba't kinikilabutan ako? Oh my God. Uy, bakit walang ilaw dyan? Alam mo, kinikilabutan ako. Ewan ko. Wow! Bakit walang ilaw? Diyos ko.
Ganun talaga pag shortcut.
Oo nga. Uy, teka, walang ilaw. Teka, daan pa talaga to? Bakit walang ilaw? Uy, walang ilaw. Saan susuksok dito? Diyos ko, anay ko. Guys, this is a live footage of how... di ba walang daan dyan? This is a live footage of... Wala namang daan, dead end naman. Niloloko tayo. Iikot lang to eh. Oh. Di ba ang saya? Umikot lang kami. Reset. Baka may daan dun. Sige na. We therefore conclude that there is no way inside. Reset? May pa short way pa siya eh. Wala lang palang daan dun. Oh. CCTV, mag-hi tayo. Ito na mga life choices. Left or right? Dito talaga natatest yung mga life choices na mga decisions. Life or right? Tumatawa yung... It's close?
It's very narrow.
Oh. I'm claustrophobic, so I don't think I can go there. Yeah. Gusto kong papalaban ata tayo sa Englishan dito. Friend? Support.
Ikaw na yung charge sa Arabic kayo.
Oo. Hena, wala hena.
Hindi mo kapaikot mo.
Kalihan. Oh, really? Oh, I wanna go there. Let's go. As you like daw. Wala naman sa close dito. So this is the end. As you like. End na pala ng ano.
This cave is actually
This cave is the house of the Project Beans. See? Same color. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. Why there's light there? Yeah. It's closed now, or there is still?
It's stopped
Climb through, let us know.
Oh,
Safe or follow?
If you go through there,
yeah.
if I see you later,
Oh my God, that's kind of risky, you know.
really?
There's light in there, but
I'm not so convinced. Yeah, I'm not convinced that you're meant to go in there. Yeah, this one. No. That's America. Reminds me of this.
Yeah, that's in Arizona. Or in Utah too.
Yeah, that's there's a
Utah. Yes, and you're from Utah?
No.
You?
I'm from Philippines.
Can you take us a photo?
Of course. Which area? Ito, which area? Ang dami English ko. Which area? Here. Ayan. Tuloy ang laban. Diyos ko. Ha? Saglit. Dito ako. Oh. Ay, madilim. Diyan. Okay lang mo dyan?
Flashlight tayo.
Oh my God. This is a live footage of the cave. See, there are no lights installed inside, and we're risking our lives. Wow, risking our lives.
Masabi mo Shari Ryan.
This is the end. This is the
End of
This is the end of everything. Just go and ayan, oh my God. So, guys, this is a live documentation that we made it. We made inside the cave.
Ba't di ako nakikita?
Kasi yung ilaw.
Ako yung taga-ilaw.
Ay, hindi dito dapat.
Ayan.
We made it, guys.
Yes.
We are the first Filipino explorers of Algara. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Algara
Judas
Mountain.
Cave.
Judas Cave.
Tinawag niya ito
Let it be known.
Judas Cave.
Let it be known. Amoy ihi.
Oh.
Let it be known to the public that we are the first Filipinos to conquer the Judas Cave. And it smells bad in here, so we should go. It smells like peace, you know. I don't know, maybe the project means peace there. Hi. God, this is really scary, guys. This is really scary. Hoy, there's no light. Ayan. Tapos merong ganyan, nakala ko ahas. Wow. Oh my God. Ay, P3. Ang pangit. Oh my. Imagine, you only thought that Saudi Arabia is full of deserts and sandstorms and camels, but you don't know. Oh, pangit. You don't know there are caves also. See? Now you know. So you should go. We made it. We made it to Judas Cave, Algara Mountain. This is Agent Ryan. This is the Project Beans, and we are live streaming all the way from Hafuf, Al-Hasa, Saudi Arabia. Wow. We made it, guys. Ayan, palabas na kami. Wala masyadong signal sa loob, so andun na daw siya naghihintay sa labas. Yes, we are going to Khobar para i-explore naman ang Khobar. It was a nice experience kasi parang you get, ano yun? Paniki. May mga paniki dito. So, ang ingay-ingay. Yan sila yung mga yan. Thank you, Al-Hasa. Thank you, Hafu.
Salamat.
Al-Hasalamat. Yes, thank you for the beautiful scenery. Maybe inshallah we will come back here again.